Ah, damn it! He's wounded! He's wounded! He's hiding!
Get him, DJ, get him.
He's behind the black thing, huh? Ew.
Oh. No, not the sink. Not the sink.
He's got to move sometime.
The broom. Get the broom. You push get the broom and push that thing into him. Jam him in there.
Like kill him with the black thing?
Yeah. I know, right? Like a javelin. Wait. I don't see him. I think he slipped through a crack, but try it anyway. Nah, he got through one of the cracks. You missed your shot.
Well, he's hurt. He's wounded. He ain't moving. You just see him on.
I saw him.
Yeah, he got fucked up.
Okay, but next time.
You tell his little rat friend?
No. Just next time we throw a brick at a rat and it ends up in rat dookie, don't wash it off in the kitchen sink.
Oh, that was guts.
That was guts. That's worse.
Of course.
Oh.